Hello, 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 it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am going to share a double spread layout that I completed using In Full Bloom Scrapbooking Workshop Kit from Close to My Heart, which was released in the March and April 2022 mini catalog. Yes, I am proud to be a Close to My Heart maker consultant. I will have the link to my channel on the left side of my Close to My Heart mat, so that if you would like to come pick up any of the products, come shop through me. And who wouldn't want to pick up this gorgeous collection In Full Bloom from Close to My Heart? I am telling you, this is a gorgeous collection. We have the papers, the pattern paper with sticker sheets. We have coordinating cardstock. We have die cut pieces that you can pick up all individually, life cards, and the digital set through Cricut. And then we have the workshop kit for scrapbooking and card making. And then we have stamp sets to go with this collection. I am just telling you, it is an awesome, awesome collection. I have already released a haul of the scrapbooking workshop kit and a couple other supplies with it. I also have an upcoming video that I will be sharing In Full Bloom card making workshop kit, along with stamps and I think some more paper. That's coming up. On March 12th, I released a video creating a double spread layout that's called Project 1 from this workshop kit, which is right here. And I show you how I put my own twist to document my memory, because my photographs were of a different orientation. That is going to be the same for Project 2, which I am getting ready to share with you. There's my version. Love it, love it, love it. This is what I call the foundation layer. And my foundation layer looks 95% like the project. The only thing that I did different is this zip strip of butterflies are placed here, and I placed them up here. I followed the cutting instructions for the two papers here, which is this beautiful flower pattern paper. Cut it 2 inches by 12 inches. Tore the pattern paper. It does not suggest to ink the pattern paper, but I did using Close to My Heart pewter ink. So it's a gray color. I did the same with the Lagoon cardstock. I don't remember the cut size. I already put away my cutting instructions that come with the workshop kit. But I cut it exactly and tucked it under this torn paper. And then the zip strip came from one of the pattern papers that's in the workshop kit. And I placed it and tucked it under my Lagoon cardstock, and also inked the edge using the pewter ink rather than placing it right here. This flower pattern paper, I placed a 1/2 inch from the bottom. All the die cut pieces right here come in the kit. There are only 2 things on this layout that does not come in the kit, and that is the stickles. But Close to My Heart sells these stickles that I placed right here. The other item is my splatters. I chose to use Nuva Mica Mist in Silver Smoke. An alternative, if you exclusively only have Close to My Heart products, you could use the shimmer pen in clear. It will be kind of a silvery color, but not quite as bold. In the workshop kit, it suggests using one photograph. I have two photographs. This is from my niece's bridal shower. I placed the film strip behind the one photograph, just as suggested in the project for number 2. The title was placed down here, which would have fit perfectly, but I chose to place it above my photographs and add those stickles and tuck one of the flower die cuts that would have went around this die cut circle, which is provided in the kit. I know I'm going to keep saying that because some of you will say, well, was that from the kit? Yes. Again, all the die cuts are within the kit. So what was different from the instructions? I didn't add all those flowers and succulents here. I changed the position of my title. I changed the position of my zip strip. I used stickles from close to my heart. I placed the bulbs up here, but use the product. Oh, and I forgot to mention, and I use close to my heart number 5.5 pen to draw those lines there. And then I inked my edges here of my paper, my pattern paper, my cardstock, and zip strip using the pewter ink from close to my heart. So that's the left side. Now let's review the right side, which is going to look really different. Here we go. See, it's very, very different, right? But I'm still using all the products from the kit. So we have 4 photographs. We have nothing in the corner. The succulents, instead of just being on one corner here, I have them separated. And my butterflies in a different location. Pretty much everything is in a different location except for that foundation layer. So that's my double spread layout using the In Full Bloom. Let me see. And I know this is why I don't do the double spread, because you're going to get glare. So I won't leave it here very long. See, when I get the glare off the photographs, then the double spread is out of frame. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you all. And most of all, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give me a thumbs up. That brings traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring people that you and I may not know that is looking for inspiration to document those memories. Keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.